Alright, Abby, do the intro. Come on, Abby, do the intro. Look, here's Abby back here hiding behind our bag. Oh my gosh. Look it, guys, we got exciting Play-doh stuff for Christmas. It's actually all used, but we got this whole bag cheap. Ah, it's all falling out. Woohoo! Let's see what kind of new up-and-coming stuff we got. We got Play-doh trucks. We got Play-doh, it doesn't have any description. Dinosaurs. We got Play-doh, these are just Play-doh containers. We got Play-doh towns. We got, whoa, we're dropping everything. Dr. Drill and Fill. Alright, you read this one. They can't see the back of your head, come over here. Oh my gosh, this bag is huge. What's that one?
Candy.
Cyclone. What's this one?
A Play-doh town. Well, it's a hair.
What's this one? It's a bunch of little cookie cutters. Awesome. We got all kinds. We were like halfway done. Oh my gosh. This is just more Play-doh. What you got in here, Abby? You gotta look at the camera. You gotta come on this side. I can't see ya.
We have another one for the Play-doh town.
What's this one? Oh, it's stuck.
It's a cooking set.
Play-doh cooking set. Hamburgers, hot dogs.
That sounds fun.
We got this one. Another candy cyclone. Look at that. That's freaking awesome.
We got two.
Dirt cheap on our local marketplace. We got, read that one. Dropping them. Cake making station. We got this one, a Play-doh Touch, Shape to Life Studio. We got this one, it's
An ice cream.
Swirling Shake Shop. Oh my gosh. There's more! And there's more!
We got a
Play-doh Kitchen.
ooh, we got more.
Oh, look at that! Oh yeah, look at all those. Holy smokes! What else do we got? What else do we got?
More.
A pizza shop! Look at that, a pizza shop! Whoa! Holy cow! And there's more. There's a bunch of little chickens up there. Look at that!
Whoa.
Dang! Woo! Play-doh! Play-doh, Play-doh, Play-doh! Look at all this stuff! Cheap! Dirt cheap! Which one do you like best, Abby? Which one are we going to do a video on today, Abby?
This food.
We're going to do, she wants to do this one.
Actually, I want to do the pizza and that one.
No, we got to do one. We got to do an opening.
Pizza, yeah.
Twirling top pizza shop, baby. They're looking at the back of your head again, Abby. All right, break. We got to clean the table. All right, guys. Oh, wait, I gotta get the camera first. All right, here's what we're doing today. Twist and twirl, twist and top pizza shop. We already got it all out of the box. It's all. I knocked it apart. Okay. So this is like our cheese grater, and then we got toppings on the top of here. Then we got our little pizza oven. All right, we need crust.
This is the
Crustify. That's crust. I'm gonna roll the crust too. Rolling. We're gonna cook two pizzas.
Let's cook yours first.
Oh, we gotta move in closer. We're gonna move them in closer so they can see what we're doing. Hi, Abby. We're up close and personal. Whoop whoop. Here we go. Should we see our face or should we just see the table?
Just the table.
All right. Down you go. Here we go. We gotta smash out the crust.
We're doing yours first.
Mine first? All right. Here we go. That's what they do in the pizza shop, right? It's not working for my Play-doh though.
Then we have to put it on the plate to cook it in the oven.
that big enough?
Yeah.
It's pretty close. See, guys, pretty close. A little crusty. A little crusty. Crust is looking crusty. All right, what kind of toppings are we gonna make?
We're gonna make a bell. I'm pretty sure that's a bell.
All right, so we got toppings on top here. We got peppers, sausage, pepperonis, something else, mushrooms, shrimp, broccolis. I don't like none of this stuff. I like pepperonis and sausage. You need some more brown. Brown for sausage, red for pepperonis.
Okay, so which one?
Let's use your brown. That'll be our sausages.
We'll
And then
have a couple of sausages because I want some Play-doh for
we can just do 2 separate ones. We'll do it again. All right, there's a sausage. Sausage. 1 sausage.
But we have to cook it first.
Where do you cook it at? You do cook it on here. We'll just cook it on here.
And it goes in here.
What goes in there?
The pizza.
Oh, well, yeah, but we gotta make the toppings first.
Oh, we cook it in the oven with the topping.
Here, you make the sausage. Here, you make some. You make a pepperoni.
I need red.
Red?
Yeah.
Well, get to making it, girl.
This is close.
I got 2 sausages on there already. She's got no pepperoni. We like pepperoni and sausage. We're gonna make pepperoni and sausage pizza.
I never tried any other kind of pizza.
Yeah, that's because your dad doesn't like it.
I only tried pepperoni, sausage,
I got 3
sausage and
sausages.
bacon.
I got 3 sausages. What do you got?
Nothing.
Right here. Bronies. You should flatten off the top so it looks a circle from both sides.
Doesn't really look like a pepperoni.
Well, which one's supposed to be a pepperoni then?
This
I
one.
don't like none of that other gross stuff.
The pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
This
I need
is
3.
This is hard.
What's hard?
Like it's not soft too much.
Yes, it is.
You can make more pepperoni.
You can make more pepperoni. Just go like that. See? They can't see your face. You gotta stick your face down further. You told me I was only supposed to be recording the table. So they don't see you smiling. 3 pepperonis and 3 sausages. We gotta put cheese on it. So how do we do the cheese? We put this inside of this.
We cook the pizza part.
No, you don't. You gotta melt. The cheese melts in the oven.
But
How do you get the...
you have to put the white in.
In where?
This one you take that off.
Oh. So you can get the white?
Take
You gotta put the white in the top. You gotta put it in here.
But we have to take the toppings off.
No. The cheese can go on top of them. It's alright. We're done with it now. We just put the cheese on it.
Now we have to cook
And
it.
then we'll have to cook it. For how long does it take at the pizza place? 15 minutes?
About 20.
Uh-oh. What do we do?
Think we put too much glitter in it? It's coming out. Ooh, that looks good. Can't wait to show them that end when it's.
Alright, we're learning how to use this thing too. Oops. Okay, we gotta lock it in. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Turn it, Abby. You turn it. Oh, come on. It's not turning that hard. Was it stuck? Oh, there it goes. Turn it. Oh, yeah, we're getting cheese. Oh, this is cool. Turn it. Uh-oh. What do we do? Get stuck?
No, it's.
It's empty?
Yeah.
Oh, boy. We got cheese, guys. Uh-oh, now this is stuck on there. How do I get it off? Ah! Well, we're not very good at this yet. There you go. Uh-oh, we lost the cheese.
Now we have to cook
Oh my
it.
gosh, it looks like pizza.
Now we have to cook it.
There you go, Abby. Put it in the oven. Our oven is set on 425 degrees.
It doesn't
And we will
fit.
be... It doesn't fit. We made our pizza too big. Shove it in there.
You smushed it.
Pizza's in. Yes. Woo! We're cooking pizza. Alright, pizza's done. 15 minutes. Doot, 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 doot. Oh no, it looks smushed. Who did that?
You.
Alright, use our pizza cutter or spatula. We need a pizza cutter. You gotta be over this way so we can see it.
I have to get it off the plate first.
Cut it. Just cut it on there and take it off in pieces. It's probably all smashed. Somebody smashed it.
You did.
Who did? Who?
You.
You who? That's a chocolate milkshake drink. You who? Alright, she's cutting us a piece. Cut it better. Eat it, Abby. Yummy Play-doh. You know Play-doh's edible.
No, it ain't.
I'm sure it is. Let's read the thing. It says it contains wheat. We can eat wheat.
It says it contains doesn't mean we can eat it.
Are you getting the pizza cut up, Abby?
Yep.
Alright, serve it up to us. What flavor we got?
Milk.
Let's eat it. That was good pizza.
Now we have to get all of this stuff to make some.
Alright, there's our pizza. There's our pizza play set. Give us a big thumbs up and like and share us. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thanks for watching.